Joined now by Dr. Jeffrey Potoff from UW Health to learn a little bit more about this variant. So, doctor, as we take a look at the entire country, why are lower vaccination rates dangerous when talking about the Delta?
Right. So when you're unvaccinated, Delta comes into play for you. We know that it's more contagious. You're more likely to come down with it. And then even more worrisome, there's a small study that shows it's twice as likely to land you in the hospital. Now, on the flip side, for those who are vaccinated, our vaccines cover the Delta variant really well, so not a big concern. But as we see areas of the country, even the state, that have low vaccination rates, the Delta variant starts to become a concern.
That are vaccinated, should they continue to do anything different? Or like you said, if you're vaccinated, you're good to go?
Yeah, really, it's fun to say this, but if you're vaccinated, you're good to go. Protection against the Delta variant. If you're fully vaccinated, you want to get those 2 doses of Pfizer, Moderna, or that single dose of Johnson & Johnson. Protection is really quite good.
And so when we look at those Delta cases, we know that more than 6% of cases are labeled as that Delta variant, which seems pretty low. So, the rate that it's spreading is what's concerning.
Right. It's kind of like the weather. We can see the storm on the horizon. It's not yet here, but we know that this Delta variant is going to likely become our dominant strain over the summer into the fall. And that gives us an opportunity to really send that message out there to unvaccinated folks that, this storm is brewing. And the best way to prevent being caught in the storm is to go out and get vaccinated before the Delta variant comes to a location near you.
As we're having these conversations, obviously during these summer months, is it fair to say that we do have time to stop that rapid spread of the Delta variant?
We probably do. These viruses, these variants can be very effective in spreading it, and we're seeing that happen. It really requires us to do a little bit better job with vaccination. We want to get to that 70% vaccinated, 75% vaccinated. And in those areas, whether it's states like Connecticut or counties here in Wisconsin that achieve that, Delta might not be as big of a concern. But we also have the flip, counties, states that are, barely above 30% vaccinated. That might be a struggle to get them up to 70% by this fall.
Okay, so right now we know the Delta variant, more contagious. For those who aren't vaccinated, this might be a concern that they do have to think about. And perhaps this is a push to get them an appointment for their vaccine.